Nane Jumamosi tariki merongibere na isato chumutinyu kumena limo mwako igana mangabera kwa neki wakuru se county to Kisii county ya Nyamira wiki county ya Nairobi chinga kibogo egati ya abakenya bange bagende kweboria igoro yoko nigwa kugeti chindege gya JKIA anamano kubatikana amo na mange agende kwa neki wa asensemelia ya Adani okwarigane ase Ekeonga Ewikendi nsaikomi chiabo no magoroba ngoro kwa Kevin Nkoba kabane nje ukomori Wachinsa komini goto ja kurwase county ya Kisii nigo egati ya bana boda boda kurwase wodi bino yegotoka se bunge ya Nyalwar chache county ya Kisii nigo babir bagwesoken otemna nerebuya egati ya abarai kurwase nsemeyo bakurawo amonomo MCA wodi bino moske stivarika kuwaterana amonomo jumbe Nyalwar chache moske zaid janda kwani kingo chare koligeria okoro isigwa gwechbara asensemeyo munencheremo yokone kianga babire bakorobia obasambi wabo
border stage tobwa tamararamishi ipare kururige na bakanyaguta pare chigari cha sombo morom pone ya sari kete gwete ekanyere mora aye tukende ya kabere nikala watiri gari tiche ono jindu to gweti chore ntu abara yitonga ibare chandanga yari itoba chore te batokorere gas pone ntu to saba ipare ba ukura basombo morom batobekene ntu morom ke de gwete ka
anene ngorikeria semangana para sabara iba chore tega anne balugule masreito asinga muraba anega bichi piki ebo umieta sala nigona ikirega iga semu stage anega nanyara muraba na maramisi abo yogo tene pare iga kibasa jijirure chukoro bora makarabati igoteri buya asabara iba bachorire babe ka kibasa mu buko batagorire amajira yo gukora bando bitana binyore gasi chukora gukora mabakarabati gai igore nto ko sabando se simu ngoteri yogiria bachiriwo ema ngora bana injega asikyagere kura mwa stibarika nae no mundo wa magendero obwenda gutukonya buna into bichana gaiga asipare chikuruguru me sabari ngwana naiga ukateba yaya ebichana ndia nyora chibesa buna bone gatwaru werika batiterige na gaiga ana boja gweta gaigo bona kimo chando kyore gaiga kyagana kituwa batokwani guito ujaso
omobo opoda bona igari gena mura yo ito stiwari kanto gusigete no mundo muyo gasio korenengie na ndo itabete mono sana yenda kama gwa feri ligena kwebire pi tonyerochi bono iga tobwato bokombe tokweremera ekwerende makarabati
ensemo yebyumbe ntwanya konyora ondogo tokonya nonye twetemire buna tokotema tutweru mambi magoroba lakini ntwanya konyora muntu gutusapoti none byumbe ibye bikatobwate inde na into toimoke inde na into twekonye na into buno mugusi
chinga ke agande tukane kigwakurwa asensemeyo nigo ritukoria rero boigo kubatkana amono kwera komotemu yekirasi gikumina kabiri KCSE ritukoria igoro nigo omwaziri w'isemi Moske Julius Ugamba Migosi abereka wasokina otemna nigo egatiye bikore byobongeria byabiri bikone kiwa imense Kenya nigo boigo Moske Julius abereka otemna nigo egatiye bikore biga chimisanemo merongibirina oyomo biabere bikone kigwa asense ya Kenya kolende nigo abengendrete kobike merobulisene yo chaukinia ebirengo bisemi imense ya Kenya
965,501 candidates sat for KCSE examinations in 10,754 centers supported by 610 distribution centers. Despite heavy rainfall and insecurity in some parts of the country, no candidate was left behind. This includes reported 28 brave candidates who took the examinations from hospital settings. I wish to thank the multi-agency examination administration team comprising of officials from the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Interior and National Administration, Ministry of ICT, the Teacher Service Commission, and other stakeholders who have played a vital role in the efficient coordination of the examination season. Ladies and gentlemen, while the majority upheld the integrity isolated cases of malpractice were reported. Investigations are ongoing and we remain committed to upholding the sanctity of our examinations. During the administration of the 2024 KCSE examination, 621 candidates out of 965,501, representing 0.064%, were reported to have been found engaging in examination malpractices, mainly found with unauthorized written materials, mobile phones, collusion, sharing images of their question papers on social media, and impersonation. These cases were reported from 198 out of 10,754 examination centers, representing 1.841% of the examination centers.
Chinga kiagani tukone kigwakurwa asanseme yo ye wizara semi ni gord ko liarero egati ya aparain kurasen semelio komeria serikali an magurasi kama Jubilee bakura wa amo na omoske jerma kioni nigova birwa kwanira kubatkana amono bututukanu bogan tukone kigwa asansemelia ya adani okwana chinga kejo nigova birwa tamna balibonsi babete bagubwa terania asansemejo babone takobe kubiaram ncheremo yokwane kinga omorembe oborigo kwane kigwa ime yense ya Kenya.
Ni viongozi gani hawa wako kwa maofisi wamekuwa wakikula pamoja na Adani na kuna pesa wamengawa pamoja na Adani? Who are these Kenyan officials who never did due diligence? They need to be arrested and they need to leave offices. Because if they had sunk us this far, including selling our assets to criminals, what else would they not do to us? These are people we cannot afford to have in offices. And two, he talked of Kentraco and he talked of Jomo Kenyatta. But we know they have already sunk in 104 billion shillings in the Ikitu Anaita Chisha thing. 114 billion because of an application. 104 billion because of an app. Why is it that they didn't cancel? He didn't call for the cancellation of that one. Ama wamekura zaidi pade hiyo hawezi wakarudisha pesa. Inga kiagani tukone kiwakurwa asensemeyo bogoto kwirana asensemelia ye chinguru cyumuriro nigo egati ya abarain kurwa asinsemo aha bagant komochia ewizare y'chinguru cyumuriro kurenderi tkolia rero nigo omwaziri w'chinguru cyumuriro Moske Opio Wandayi abereka watemna nigabe Getembe borisene yo kwane kinga abakenya ngo kibale konyora chinguru cyumuriro asenchira egwandata.
I'm amazed by the kind of work that is going on here. A lot of good work has happened here and continues to happen under the management of Kenya Pipeline Company. This oil jetty alone, which as you know was constructed way back in 2018, but commenced operations in earnest in December or thereabout of 2022, has to date been able to evacuate about 290 million liters of products from Kisumu to Entebbe. That means about 96 or thereabout voyages. The impact of this is tremendous because we have been able to remove from our roads hundreds and hundreds of trucks that would ordinarily be moving all the way from Kisumu to Kampala and beyond. So we still see a very, very big opportunity here for us to not only expand our trade with our neighboring countries, especially Uganda, but to continue to remove trucks from our roads, thereby enhancing safety, road safety, and also reducing our road maintenance cost. As a ministry and as government, we are committed to optimizing the operations at the Kisumu oil jetty. We are looking forward to expanding the infrastructure at the depot, starting with the construction of new tanks to be able to accommodate more volumes. Rather than that, I think going forward, we may, of course, want also to explore new frontiers. We are in talks with our...
Mwanchumura negati arito gandi kwari gandi yasense Ekeonga chinsa ibere na bago chinsa nya chot kwarero.